Welcome all. So what I want to show you today is something that has never been shown before. I don't want to be wasting your time. So what I'm going to show you are the real time frames on when you can trade certain gold. Today I'm just going to be focusing on New York time session for the pairs that you can trade on this one and become profitable, as you can see on the screen. So what I'm going to do before I even get there, you guys remember that I spoke about my VIP signal group. My VIP signal group, we are doing a lot. Actually, we are winning all the way on the VIP signal group. Things are really extreme. I just tell you guys where to buy gold, when to sell, when to stop loss and take profits. Not only gold, we also focus on other pairs, and the results are extreme. So guys, if you want to be on the VIP signal group, all you have to do is just to go to the video description, and what you will get on the video description is a link to my FPS revealer link. So you just click there, you create an account with FPS, and then you can deposit as little as 10 US dollars. After making the deposit, all you have to do is just to inbox me. So after making the deposit, all you have to do is to inbox me, and then I'll put you on the VIP trading group. Amazing, the results we get here are a lot. So enough about that, let's go back to the chart. So right here we've on the New York session. If you want the settings for this one, all you have to do is to come to the indicators up here. So you just come on the indicator window and type sessions. On the sessions, I want you to go to Lux Algo, just as you can see over here. Once you are there, just click it once, and then it will be right on the screen, and all you have to do is just to make the settings. And when you get there, make sure you just click the New York session, then unclick London, unclick Tokyo, unclick Sydney, and remove these 4 boxes down here. Then you click OK, and you'll be all good. This is so easy. This one is so amazing. Let's get to it. So what usually happens on the New York session for gold is that the past few days, what I've noticed is that before gold can really take off, what gold is going to do is that it's just going to start by coming down. So let me just use this demonstration arrow. So gold will come down a little bit before it really makes the take off. So it will then make the great take off after having gone down. So the first thing that gold will do is to go down. As you can see, there will be a downtrend just when the New York session opens. So the New York session will open, gold will come down before it really makes the major takeoff. Let's look at the day before this one. So I'm just going to run it for the week and show you guys how it has been. And this is another day. We can see gold coming down, and after gold comes down, what gold does is that it takes off immediately. It gets here, you can see that by the end of the New York session, gold is gone up, but the first trial is coming down, as you can see. So let's look for another one the day before this one. I'm just going to go to another pair in a few minutes time. I just hope I will be explaining. I'm just trying to make this as fast as possible. So what gold will do when the new session begins, gold is coming down before gold will make the major take off. So you can either do some scalping when you begin over here. You can just do some scalping. This is a 5-minute time frame, by the way, so you can just do some scalping. So all you have to do is that you just have to mark that first candle so that you know how things are going to be, and then you can just simply remove the sessions. You can remove the sessions. Otherwise, this is how gold has been doing. As you can see over here, this was the New York session, and it started off right here. You can see, you can just mark this one. So you can see gold now moving down extremely, as I've shown you. So this is just basically the way I've noticed about gold. Otherwise, I can just leave this one and go to GBP USD and see if we can find some things from it. Let's just start from the beginning. So this is GBP USD. I want to show you guys the New York session once again, because I want to make sure that what we are talking about is real. What happens on the New York session? When the New York session starts, this is GBP USD 5 minutes time frame. So this is the first candle of the New York session, and once we are done with that one, you will notice that there is also a bearish movement of price before price can do anything else. Price is going to go up. You can even start from here and go to that last point over there. Still, you will notice that before price can go up, the first movement price will do is the bearish movement. Now GBP USD started off like this. We can mark the first candle as usual. So let's mark that first candle before we mess things up. So gold started by coming up here, and then it had once again a downward movement, and the final movement was the final takeoff. So at the end of the day, GBP/USD also took off. This is the New York session, keep that in mind. This is the New York session, and over here I want us to be as clear as possible. So what happened is that you can just mark that first candle for the New York session. After marking that first candle, you will notice that price really did a major take down after just coming to retest this place over here. You can see that price was on an upward movement before, and then we had the downward movement over here again, trying to go down, but it had to go and retest that key level over there. That's why you can see this mark over here. So this is basically how this thing works. So guys, if you feel like this is helpful for you, just feel free to hit the subscribe button. Otherwise, I can show you as much examples as I can, but for today I'm just going to leave it up there. Feel free to subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Happy weekend.